Mung bean soup is a traditional folk heat-relieving product. It is a soup made with mung beans and water as the main ingredients. It has the effect of quenching thirst and relieving heat. Mung bean soup is rich in nutrients and is a kind of soup with high economic value and nutritional value. Mung bean soup has various cooking methods and various flavors. The most important ones are barley mung bean soup, lily mung bean soup, pumpkin mung bean soup, and kelp mung bean soup. Mung beans are rich in protein, B vitamins, and minerals. If you drink them in summer, they can not only clear away heat and detoxify, relieve summer heat and diuresis, but also replenish water-soluble vitamins and minerals that are taken away by sweat. But it is an exaggeration to say that it can cure myopia, diabetes, high blood pressure, and even tumors. There is no medicine that can cure all diseases in the world, let alone food that can cure all diseases. In addition, although mung bean soup is suitable for most people, it is not suitable for people who are in the period of illness, people with weak constitutions, people with poor kidney function, and people with spleen and stomach deficiency. Drinking too much will aggravate the condition and even cause other diseases. Mung beans are cool in nature and sweet in taste. Drinking more mung bean soup in the hot summer is good for relieving heat. If you want to use mung bean soup to prevent heat stroke, you can cook mung bean soup directly, or cook it with honeysuckle, and drink it properly every day to get rid of heat stroke. Due to the hot weather, it is easy to have a loss of appetite in summer, and mung beans are rich in protein, phospholipids, and other elements, which can not only supply the nutrients needed by the body but also play a role in exciting the nerves, thereby stimulates appetite. Mung bean itself has the effect of detoxification, and it is clinically shown that mung bean contains anti-allergic ingredients, so if you drink more mung bean soup in summer, it can play a role in preventing urticaria, a skin disease that occurs frequently in summer. Promotes good health. It is well known that the polysaccharides contained in mung beans can enhance the activity of serum lipoproteins, so it can also promote blood lipid balance and protect cardiovascular health. In addition, this globulin and polysaccharide can also promote the decomposition of cholesterol in animals, so it can reduce the absorption of cholesterol by the human body, thus playing a role in preventing the three highs. The combination of the two can greatly reduce the sudden high temperature in summer, and the probability of some heart diseases such as angina pectoris, coronary heart disease, and arteriosclerosis. Experts believe that trypsin in mung bean is a kind of enzyme that can help reduce protein decomposition and reduce the damage caused by protein decomposition to the kidneys, so it can play a role in protecting the health of the kidneys. The role of protection can naturally reduce the troubles of many diseases. The nutritional value of mung bean itself is very high. For example, its protein content is more than that of chicken, and its calcium content and phosphorus content are also very high. Therefore, drinking more mung bean porridge can play a role in maintaining the normal development of the body. Those who belong to the cold physique. Those who have symptoms such as cold limbs, abdominal distension, and loose stools are not suitable for drinking mung bean soup. Eating mung beans will aggravate the symptoms and even cause other diseases. The elderly, children, and people with weak constitutions. Because the protein content in mung beans is more than that in chicken, large molecular proteins need to be converted into small molecular peptides and amino acids under the action of enzymes before they can be absorbed by the human body. Such people have poor gastrointestinal digestion and are prone to diarrhea due to indigestion. People who are taking various drugs. The detoxification effect of mung bean comes from the combination of mung bean protein and other components with organic phosphorus and heavy metals to form precipitates. However, these detoxifying ingredients will also decompose the efficacy of the medicine and affect the treatment. Do not drink it on an empty stomach. Mung bean soup is cold in nature, and drinking it on an empty stomach is not good for the stomach. Mung bean soup, people who refuse spleen and stomach deficiency, is not good for the body. Alright, that's all for today. Come explore our page. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and turn on the bell so that you won't miss out on our next video.